Insoles for high heels, and what do we suggest in the podiatry clinic if you're looking for an orthotic insole for high heels? Hey guys, it's Kent here and I'm the podiatrist from Docpods Ergonx, and today we're looking at what can be done to make your high heels more comfortable. Now of course, as a podiatrist, we don't recommend you wear high heels because they're not the most functionally efficient shoe for your foot, and they generally do cause some aches and pains. But if you're going to an event where you need to wear a high-heeled shoe, the product that we generally suggest is if it's an enclosed heel high-heeled shoe, you can use the Ergonx Slimline Orthotic. Now what this is, it's an orthotic insole where we've taken a arch support orthotic insole and we've just cut away, we'll lay it on top of another insole here. We've cut away all the bits that usually would cause it to be too bulky to fit into a lady's fashion shoe. And so what you're left with is arch support orthotic insole with this deep heel cup. So it will support your foot and help to limit how much your feet roll in, cushion your heel by keeping your foot's natural fatty pad beneath the heel, and help to prevent any slipping out in the high heels. So generally it'll add a little bit more arch support and make your shoes more comfortable. So if you've got one of those events where you need to actually wear a heeled shoe, as long as it's got an enclosed heel so the orthotic doesn't slip out at the back, this will be the orthotic insole for your shoes. So check out the Ergonx Slimline if you're going to an event where you need some arch support but have to wear high heels.